Welcome to REDBO, and congratulations on choosing to sell your home for sale by owner. You've taken a smart step to retain control of your sale and save thousands of dollars on listing commissions. This short video will show you how to maximize your success with REDBO so you can sell quickly and for the best possible price. To ensure a fast and profitable FSBO sale, REDBO provides you with 4 key components, areas where many unassisted FSBO listings often fail. Let's explore how REDBO puts you ahead. First, you have access to in-depth market data, the same kind of insights used by top real estate agents. This means that you can confidently price your home competitively, understand current market trends, and make informed decisions during negotiations. Second, we provide you with professional marketing materials designed to make your listing stand out. This includes professionally edited photos, options for virtual staging to showcase your home's potential, and a package of customized print materials you can use for showings and open houses. Third, your REDBO package gives you access to powerful tools to stream on your sale. Our platform simplifies everything from managing inquiries to scheduling showings. Plus, you have Valora, your 24/7 AI assistant ready to answer buyer questions, qualify leads, saving you valuable time. Now let's take a look at the single most critical component for a successful FSBO sale, comprehensive property exposure. This is where many for sale by owners go wrong. These costly mistakes result in slower sales and discounted prices. It's not enough to just be listed somewhere. Your home needs to be seen by every single potential buyer in your market. Think about it. You're only going to sell to one buyer, the one that makes the best offer that might meet or even exceed your asking price. You can't afford to miss that buyer because your listing wasn't where they were looking. The more exposure your home gets, the more excitement you generate, and the higher the chances of attracting multiple offers and driving up the price. REDBO ensures your listing achieves that maximum visibility. Here's how. First, your BOW listing. We automatically create a beautiful single-page website for your property, pulling information from your existing online listings such as Zillow. We enhance it with professionally edited photos, give you the option to upload virtual tours, and even provide virtual staging to make empty and cluttered rooms look their best. Next, we get the word out. We promote your REDBO listing across our platform and feature it in emails to our exclusive network of hundreds of cash investors and thousands of active qualified buyers. This is a targeted audience ready to make a move. Then there's your network. When your REDBO listing goes live, you'll get an email notification. We make it incredibly easy to share your listing on social media, and we strongly encourage you to do so. It's more than just reaching your friends and family. Sharing creates valuable links back to your listing, boosting its visibility and search engine results. It's also how social media algorithms pick up on popular content, amplifying your reach to a wider audience, potentially connecting you with that perfect buyer you wouldn't have reached otherwise. Think of it as free, powerful advertising. And finally, the MLS. Your package includes the option to list on the multiple listing service. This is where most real estate agents find homes for their clients. And it's crucial for maximizing exposure. An MLS listing automatically syndicates your property to thousands of websites, including moving it into the main search results of Zillow, Realtor.com, and Homes.com. To activate your MLS listing, one of our local real estate partners that we pre-selected and prepaid by REDBO will email you the simple automated steps. They'll guide you through the process. There's some paperwork involved, including a standard MLS listing agreement, but it's straightforward and they're available to provide you support. And remember, you're not alone in this journey. You have a dedicated physical success manager at REDBO, ready to provide personalized guidance and answer any questions. We strongly recommend scheduling your free one-on-one strategy call with them. It's a fantastic way to get tailored advice and maximize your REDBO experience. At REDBO, it's all about your real estate your way. You're in control, but you also have options. If you decide you need additional support, you could easily add on services like our Mega Open House promotion. That includes mailed postcards and Facebook paid advertising that have produced amazing results. Plus, you have the option to upgrade to a virtual full-service agent or even connect with a pre-negotiated local full-service agent at a discounted rate. We're thrilled to be your partner in achieving a successful FSBO sale. We're confident that with REDBO, you have everything you need to sell your home quickly, profitably, and on your terms. Thank you for trusting REDBO, and good luck with your sale.